Hi everyone, this is Lynn here. I'm at 306 Fanmar Way in Capitola. I'd like to welcome you to my open house tomorrow, which is Saturday from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. You can park in the village parking lot and walk over here, 306 Fanmar Way. And I want to show you this, just a preview peek of the balcony. Let's take a look. So over there you can see the Capitola Pier. A lot of shops and restaurants downtown, so you can come and say hi and and then go and grab something to eat. Okay, I'll talk to you later and hope you have a great weekend. Bye.